Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the shape button, adjust the shape, the color, select the color option, adjust the color, then select another shape, adjust the shape, save the shape, select the save button, adjust the save confirmation, select the original color, enable button down, adjust the shape, the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color, select the copy option, copy the picture, save the picture, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, 3D shape, enable button down, select the X rotation, select the Y rotation, copy the shape, select the copy option, select the two back option. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.